How to disable Reels on Instagram. Reels are a central feature of Instagram and are integrated into various parts of the platform. This video will guide you through how to disable Reels on Instagram. Maybe you prefer other type of content over Reels, or you find Reels distracting, uninteresting, or not aligned with your interest and you want to disable it. Ensure you watch this video to the very end. Although Instagram does not provide a direct option to completely disable or remove Reels from your feed or app interface, however, here are some strategies or workarounds you can employ to reduce Reels visibility or impact on your Instagram experience. One method is to engage less with Reels. Since Instagram algorithm learns from your interaction, so if you engage less with Reels content, it may show you fewer Reels. You can scroll past without interacting, liking or commenting or even sharing to signal to Instagram that you are not interested in such content. And if you come across Reels you don't like, you can tap on the three dots below, then tap on not interested and select all the four options provided on the screen. Now, another method is to exit Instagram. You can uninstall this latest version of Instagram and go to your Play Store or App Store depending on your device. Now on your Play Store, type in Instagram 2019. You want to install the old version of Instagram. Instagram 2019 provide content with less Reels, and this way you can disable Reels on Instagram. Once you have installed it, sign in your account and you'll see less Reels on Instagram. I hope this video helped you. Please hit the like button and subscribe.